Hi, good morning and welcome back to the Drummond channel. It's Tuesday, June 13th, and we're going to look at crude oil and silver, and we might get to the NASDAQ here in a little bit in another video. Keeping in mind that it's probably a volatile week, at least tomorrow with the Fed's interest rate decision. Starting with crude oil, starting to sound like a broken record. Quarterly envelope bottom, there's another weekly bar that held up here on close. So this quarterly envelope bottom has been holding for a number of weeks now, and we're going to start to push up towards that monthly PL dot. We don't know yet, but the early signs are, let me show you here on the daily chart in the middle. This could be an exhaust bar setting up because it closed down in the farther out support area, and today we're in the nearby support area. And if this is a exhaust into higher time period support, then we're going to look for this market to move higher. And on the hourly chart here on the right, we're getting up in the area of the weekly envelope bottom where we might find some resistance for the day. And monitoring the hourly chart and seeing if it starts to come down below its PL dots, maybe pushing down. This envelope here is 180 minute. And or I'm sorry, it's a 300 minute. Seeing how it negotiates that area. So for the daily chart, let me just pick off where we think the market's going to target for today. Oh my goodness. Talk about marble mouth. So there's a weekly envelope bottom, there's the 1-1 high, and then there's the PL dot. So those are the targets for today. Down here, 1-1 low is the low, and then anywhere in this area here we look for support. If it takes out this low, I wouldn't be surprised, but then again, it's moved up significantly overnight, so I don't know if we're going to get down there. The thing to keep in mind is where this daily bar closes, is it going to open on top of this PL dot over here for tomorrow, the live PL dot? And that's subject to change a little bit depending on how this market moves today, but closing up above in this area, now that puts weekly envelope bottom support, daily envelope bottom, and start to push higher up into this weekly PL dot or monthly PL dot. So that's what we're looking at today for crude oil, and maybe for the rest of the week is this market starting to show signs that it's going to be moving higher. In the silver market, on the weekly chart here in the middle, we have this congestion entrance bar. So we look at congestion confines in this area. Also, we're looking for 1, 2, 2 and 3 PL dots back as a target area for this congestion, and that puts some more resistance up in this area. And what we're seeing on the monthly chart over here is there's the quarterly envelope top, and there's the yearly PL dot plus the monthly PL dot. So that is a truckload of resistance, and we're in weekly congestion and expecting weekly congestion action. So we'll see this market get up into this area and then cycle back down perhaps to the congestion bottom. How that plays out, we'll see that on the daily first. So this is that area of high resistance from higher time periods, and looking at the daily chart right now, you can see the early signs that the daily energy is waning a little bit. This PL dot is pulled off the main channel line. This market moving up into this area perhaps, and then starting to come back down towards this weekly envelope bottom, and also the lower confines of congestion. So we'll keep an eye on that. Again, it's moving up right now, but I expect at this point that this area up in here is going to hold. Expect a volatile week, as I said, with the Fed's gonna lie to us about inflation and interest rates, and we'll see how the market digests that. If I've thoroughly confused you, please leave me a question in the comment section. I'll do my best to straighten it out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.